pretty much it. The trickiest thing about here is the traffic on Ditmas Avenue. It's pretty steady. Even here, as I'm waiting to make this left turn, it's a pretty steady flow of traffic. So if you can survive Ditmas Avenue, if you can survive Ditmas Avenue, you're probably gonna be okay. And the tricky thing about this particular turn is that the traffic is heavy on both sides, and I have to worry about both sides because I'm making a left. If I was making a right, I would only have to worry about traffic on one side. So that makes it a little bit easier. But when you're making a left turn here and the traffic is heavy on both sides, you could be there a while. Wow, I still can't go, and I'm sticking halfway out into traffic. And there's a car in front of me who wants to make a turn too. So then you would have to worry about him. That could be tricky. That could be tricky if you have to make a left turn there.